In my hands, I've got the beginner's calligraphy set from Manuscript. And if you are indeed a beginner and have never picked up a fountain pen or a nib of any kind before, I'm going to chat to you about a couple of pointers you need to be aware of before getting started. So first of all, this packaging is plastic free, it's completely cardboard, and we're going to open it up and have a look at everything that comes inside this set. Starting off, of course, with the fountain pen itself. This comes with the medium nib already attached, with the option of changing to the finer nib or the broader 2B nib, 2 black ink cartridges to get you going, and then lastly you've got an ink converter. So first things first, as with any new nib, it needs a good old clean. And this is to get rid of any protective oils that might still be present on the nib, which could prevent your ink from flowing. There's loads of different ways to do this, but on this occasion we're going to get some water. Drop some washing up liquid in there, which of course will help to break down any grease on the nib. Just giving this a quick stir to lift the soap off the base of the glass. So then we can really carefully pop all 3 nibs in and wash them in the soapy water. Whether you use soapy water or another technique you may know of, it is so important to dry your nib thoroughly before use. To fit the ink cartridge, you need to firmly push it into the nib section, which will pierce the cartridge and allow the ink to flow. You'll know when you've done this successfully because you'll be able to hear or maybe feel the click or pop of the cartridge. Once those things are done, you're good to go. Starting with the fine nib, you can see the difference between the 3 nibs that you get included in this beginner's set. Ever so slightly thicker on the downstrokes is the medium. And then lastly, if you want even thicker strokes, the 2B nib. And at the end of each use, pop the cap back on to protect the nib.